Hello everyone, this is my video number 14 on matrices, and in this video we will start miscellaneous exercise on chapter 3. Let us start from question number first. Let matrix A is equal to 0, 1 and 0, 0. Then show that A into I plus B into A whole raised to the power n, which is equal to A to the power n into I plus n into A to the power n minus 1 into B into A, which is a matrix in which I is the identity matrix and n is the natural number. So we will do this question by induction method. So let Pn is equal to Pn such that Ai plus B into A whole raised to the power n, and right side A to the power n into I plus n A to the power n minus 1 into B into A. Now I means identity matrix 1 0 0 1 and A which is given 0 0 and 1. So I multiplied by A, so it becomes A 0 0 and A, and this is multiplied by B, so only 0 0 and B and whole raised to the power n. And if we add these two matrices, so A plus 0 it means only A, 0 plus B it means only B, 0 plus 0 that is 0 and A plus 0 that is A. It means A, B, 0, A whole raised to the power n, and in right side A to the power n into I it means 1 0 0 1, n A to the power n minus 1 and B, this is a constant, into A it means matrix 0 0 and 1. So multiplied by A to the power n, so it will be A to the power n 0 and 0 and A to the power n plus, and here only one element which is multiplied by n A to the power n minus 1 into B, and remaining are 0. Now find the sum of these two matrices. So A to the power n plus 0 it means A to the power n, 0 plus this element it means n A to the power n minus 1 into B, 0 plus 0 that is 0, and A to the power n plus 0 which is A to the power n. This is our statement P of n. Now put n is equal to 1. So in place of n write 1, and here also in place of n write 1. Here 1 and 1 minus 1 into B. 1 minus 1 it means 0, A to the power 0 which is 1. So only A, and this is only B 0 and this is A. So let's here A B 0 A, A B 0 A, it means both sides are equal, therefore P1 is true. In second step let Pk be true. So A B 0 K in place of n write K, and right side also in place of write K, A to the power K, K into A into K, A to the power K minus 1 into B, and this is 0 and this is AK, equation number 1. Now we will prove it is also true for n is equal to K plus 1. So Pk plus 1 such that A B 0 A whole raised to the power K plus 1. So in right side also in place of n write K plus 1, A to the power K plus 1, K plus 1 into A to the power K plus 1 and minus 1 also, and into B, and A to the power K plus 1 also in place of n, right, K plus 1. Now in left side, right side as it is, only plus 1 and minus 1 cancel out, it means only A to the power K, rest where as it is. Now left side, the power is K plus 1, so write A B 0 A whole raised to the power K into one more power 1, it means A B 0 A whole raised to the power 1. Now this factor A B 0 A whole raised to the power K, which is true from equation number first. So in place of this use this result by 1. So A to the power K, K into A to the power K minus 1 into B, and 0 and AK, and matrix A as it is, and right side also as it is. This is our target. So this is by equation number 1 by 1. Now find the product of this two matrix. First row, first column, AK into A, it means A to the power K plus 1, plus this element multiplied by this, so it will be 0. Now second row, once again first column, 0 into a, it means 0, and ak into 0, once again 0. Now first row, second column, so ak into b, that is akb. Second element multiplied by a, so a and a to the power k minus 1, so it will be only ak, a to the power k. So k, this is k, and this is only a to the power k, and this is b. Last second row, second column, 0 into b, that is 0, ak into a, it means a to the power k plus 1. So it is only a to the power k plus 1, this is 0 plus 0, 0. Now see here, a to the power k b and a to the power k b, this is k times, so a to the power k and b common, so 1 plus k, only 1 plus k remaining. And right side, which is also same, a to the power k plus 1, this is a to the power k plus 1, 1 plus k and akb, 1 plus k into akb, and 0 0, and a to the power k plus 1, which is also a to the power k plus 1. It means LHS and RHS both are equal, therefore pk plus 1 is true. Since p1 is true and pk plus 1 is also true whenever pk be true, so by PMI given statement Pn is true for all n belongs to n. So this is our first question by method of PMI, principle of mathematical induction. Now question number second. If matrix A is equal to 1 1 1, all elements are 1 1, 3 by 3 matrix, and AN, prove that a to the power n, which is 3 to the power n minus 1, all the elements are same, 3 to the power n minus 1, and n is a natural number. So once again we will also do by PMI, principle of mathematical induction. So let Pn is equal to a to the power n and 3 to the power n minus 1, 3 to the power n minus 1, and so on. First put n is equal to 1. So P1 said that this is only a to the power 1, and here n minus 1 minus 1. So let's see here, 1 minus 1, it means 0, and 3 to the power 0, it means only 1. So in next step, all elements are 1 1 1 and 1, so both are equal, so therefore P1 is true. On second step, let Pk be true. So in place of n write k, so it will be 3 to the power k minus 1, all elements 3 to the power k minus 1, and give equation number 1, ak is equal to. Now we will prove it is true for n is equal to k plus 1. So in place of n write k plus 1, so a to the power k plus 1, here n is k plus 1, so 3 to the power k plus 1 and minus 1 also, and all the elements are same as, so plus 1 and minus 1 cancel out, only 3 to the power k remaining, so it will be 3 to the power k, all the elements on right side. This is our target. Now left side, a to the power k plus 1, it means a to the power k into a. Now a to the power k, which is true, so by using equation number 1, 3 to the power k minus 1, 3 to the power k minus 1, 3 to the power k minus 1, all the elements are same, and a, which is 1 1 1 1 1. Now find the product. So first row, first column, all the elements are same, so 3 to the power k minus 1 into 1, it means this one, plus 3 to the power k minus 1 into 1, this is second, plus 3 to the power k minus 1 into 1, this is element. All the elements are same, so first row, sorry, second row, first column, third row, first column, so it is the product of these two matrix. Now let's see here, this is 3 into 3 to the power k minus 1 plus again 3 times, so it will be, let's see here, first 3 to the power k minus 1 plus 3 to the power k minus 1 plus 3 to the power k minus 1, it means 3 times 3 to the power k minus 1. So in multiplication, power will be added, so 1 plus k minus 1, 1 and minus 1 and plus 1 cancel out, only 3 to the power k. So next step, 3 to the power k, 3 to the power k, and 3, all the elements are same, right side also same, it means pk plus 1 is also true. Since p1 is true and pk plus 1 is also true whenever pk be true, so by PMI, it means principle of mathematical induction, Given statement is also true for n is equal to natural number, for all n belongs to capital N. Now third question also same, which is homework for you. So if matrix A is equal to 3, minus 4, 1 and minus 1, then prove that a to the power n which is equal to 1 plus 2n and minus 4n, 1 minus 2n, and n belongs to n. So once again, same as question number first and second, try this question by PMI, principle of mathematical induction. Now one more question, which is homework for you, question number 4. If A and B are the symmetric matrices, then prove that AB minus BA is a skew symmetric matrix. So this question, which is same as question number 11 of exercise 3.3. So this question also you will try. Okay, next video we will start from question number 5.